everyone. Today I'm going to present a material about the basic accounting equation. This topic is important because it is the foundation of all accounting record is pussy. Please let's begin with the definition. The basic accounting equation explains the relationship between a company asset, liabilities, and owner equities. This equation is used in basic account to make sure that every transaction is recorded into aspect so the balance is well maintained. For example, a company may own assets such as land, building, and equipment. The right to these assets or dividend into parties creditors whose rights are called liabilities and owners whose rights are called equity. Next, we have the formula of the basic accounting equation. Asset include side liability plus owner's equities. Liabilities are mentioned first because creditors have the claim to the company asset before the owner. Owner equities represent the owner's right after all liabilities are paid. Now, let's talk about the elements. Assets are resources owned by the company that provide future benefits. Liabilities are obligations that the company must pay to other parties. Equity is the owner's right to the company asset. In accounting, there are also additional elements. Revenue in the inflow of cash for selling goods or providing services. Expenses are the outflow of cash used to support business operation. Withdrawal, also known as drawings, are the amounts taken by the owner for personal use. Next, we will discuss transaction analysis. This section shows examples of how each transaction affects the accounting equation. Number 1. Owner investment December 1st. On December 1st, Mrs. Juwita invested 20 million rupiah into the business. Asset increased because cash increased and equity also increased. The equation remains balanced. Number 2. Equipment purchase. December 2. She purchased equipment for 4 million in cash. Cash decreases, but equipment increases. Total assets stay the same. Number 3. Supplies purchase on credit. On December 5, she bought supplies worth 20 million on credit. Assets increased and liabilities also increased because the company now has debit. Number 4. Service revenue cash. On December 8, she received 1,500,000 in cash from a service. Asset increased and equity increased because revenue adds to the owner's capital. Number 5. Service revenue cash plus credit. On December 17, she completed a wedding makeup service worth 2,500,000. Only 1,500,000 was paid. The rest become account receivable. So cash increased, receivable increased, and equity also increased. Number 6. Payment of expense. On December 20, the salon paid several expenses such as salary, rent, and utilities for a total of 1,700,000. Cash decreases and equity also decreases because expenses reduce owner equity. Number 7. Payment of account payable. On December 26, the salon paid 500,000 rupiah of account payable, cash decreases, and liabilities decreases. Number 8. Collection of account receivable. On December 27, the salon received payment for a previous receivable. Cash increases and receivable decreases. There is no effect on liabilities or equity. Number 9. Owner withdrawal. On December 30, the owner withdrew 500,000 rupiah for personal use. Cash decreases and equity decreases because withdrawal reduce the owner capital. Okay, now we'll go into discussing transaction example. Number 1. The company purchased office supplies in cash for operational needs amounting to 2 million. This type of transaction is classified as a cash outflow because the company purchased supplies using cash. The account affected are cash asset decreases, office supplies asset increases. So, one asset increases and another asset decreases, amount 2 million. Number 2, the company received a cash payment from a customer for service previously provided amounting to 5 million. This transaction falls under cash receipt. Since the company received cash, the account affected are cash asset increases, service revenue increases, amount 5 million. Number 3, the company paid employee salaries for this month amounting to 3 million using company cash. This type of transaction is categorized as a personal transaction because it relates to employees, and anything related to employees usually falls under personal transaction. It also involves a cash outflow. The account affected are cash asset decreases, salary expense increases, amount 3 million. Number 4, the owner invested additionally capital by contributing cash to the company amounting to 4 million. Since the owner is adding capital, this transaction is considered a cash receipt. The account affected are cash asset increases, owner capital increases, amount 4 million. Number 5. The company paid the office electricity bill amounting to 1 million in cash. Paying the electricity bill means this transaction is a cash outflow. The account affected are cash asset decreases, electricity expense increases, amount 1 million. Number 6. The company produced 100 units of product using raw material worth 2,500,000. This transaction is classified as a production transaction. The account affected are raw material asset decreases, inventory asset increases. So one asset decreases and another asset increases, amount 2,500,000. Number 7. The company sold part of its finished product on credit for 6 million. Selling on credit means this transaction is categorized as a sale transaction. The account affected are account receivable asset increases, sales revenue increases, amount 6 million. Number 8, or the last one, the company paid transportation costs for delivering goods to customer amounting to 500,000 in cash. This is a cash outflow transaction because the company spent cash to pay for delivery expense. The account affected are cash asset decreases, delivery transportation expense increases, amount 500,000. To conclude, every accounting transaction affects at least two components of the basic accounting equation: assets, liabilities, or equities. This equation must always stay balanced so that the financial record remain accurate and reliable. That is all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Selamat masuk